Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lac Bowie, or 25 miles northeast of Denver, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Brighton, Northern Denver International Airport, Fort Lupton, Lac Bowie, Hudson, and Keensburg. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.